Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about discovering the products that make you feel your best. Today, let's talk about something that promises to elevate your lip game without the heavy chemicals: ZOYA Lip Gloss in the shade Chance. If you've ever searched for a lip gloss that delivers the perfect balance of shimmer and shine without the sticky feel, this might be just what you need. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. First up, let's talk about the basics. The ZOYA Lip Gloss comes in the shade Chance, a beautiful shimmering finish that's perfect for adding a little extra something to any look. It's a lightweight gloss that promises to hydrate while giving your lips a glossy, shimmering finish. This formula is free of parabens, which is always a plus for those of us looking for cleaner beauty options. The packaging is simple and sleek, nothing over the top, but it feels solid and easy to handle. Now, onto the real-world testing. I've used this gloss several times, from casual day looks to a more polished evening vibe. The first thing I noticed was how lightweight it feels on my lips. It's not as thick or sticky as some other glosses I've tried, which is a huge bonus. You know that uncomfortable feeling when you try to press your lips together and you're stuck? That's not the case here. The formula feels smooth and comfortable all day long. What impressed me most, though, was how it held up throughout the day. Sure, it's not going to last as long as a liquid lipstick, but for a gloss, it's actually pretty good at maintaining its shine without constant reapplication. I tested it during both a full day of work and a lunch out with friends, and it held up fairly well. When it comes to the shimmer, it's just the right amount. It's not over the top sparkly, but you get a soft, radiant shine that catches the light perfectly. It's subtle enough for daily wear, but also pretty enough to pair with a bold eye look for a night out. As far as cons go, there's one small thing to consider. While the gloss is lightweight and non-sticky, I did notice that the formula can feel a little bit more drying towards the end of the day. So, if you're someone who suffers from dry lips, it might be worth layering a balm underneath or reapplying more often. So, does it provide good value for money? The price point is reasonable for a brand like ZOYA, which is known for its commitment to clean ingredients. You're paying for a high-quality gloss that doesn't compromise on performance. And for me, that's a fair trade-off. In comparison to other high-end glosses out there, ZOYA's offering stands out in terms of its clean, paraben-free formulation, while still giving that sought-after glossy finish. Some other brands may offer longer-lasting formulas, but if you're after something that's gentle and free from harsher chemicals, this could be a better choice for you. The build quality of the packaging is solid. It's lightweight, sleek, and easy to use, with a precise applicator that ensures even distribution of product every time. It doesn't leak or spill, which is always a bonus when it comes to lip products. If you've been looking for an alternative, there are other clean beauty glosses out there, but ZOYA's Chance definitely holds its own when it comes to a natural, healthy shine without the usual harmful additives. If you're okay with reapplying a little more often, then this could be a perfect addition to your lip collection. Overall, I'm a fan of this gloss. Its smooth formula, subtle shimmer, and clean ingredients make it a winner in my book. If you're someone who enjoys a light, natural lip look with just enough shine, ZOYA Lip Gloss in Chance is worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this gloss, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.